Well, here's take two because Amani wanted another video. And see as she's looking at me as she's riding the bike side by side. Alright, finna go over the hump. Pedal fast, pedal fast. Alright, you're getting really good at that. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Amani.
Amani?
Yeah.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, who taught you how to ride a bike?
For my birthday party.
You got it for your birthday party?
Yeah.
When's your birthday?
July 11th.
July 11th?
Yeah.
So you're a little early, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, well, good job.
I ride to the birthday. But my bike is there.
Yeah.
Pretty you. There's the other one.
The other one?
There's the other one. I stir it down. I stir it.
Steer it?
Yeah, I stir it up. See? I stir it up.
Good job. You are awesome.